Today, we're diving into the fierce rivalry between two of web deployment's biggest names.
So if you're a developer, you've got a tough choice. And honestly, the answer is not so simple.
And it all kicked off with some wild benchmarks that really stirred the pot in the dev community.
Okay, so here's the plan. We'll look at their tech, speed, security, and cost to help you choose.
First up, how they're built. Because honestly, this explains pretty much everything else about them.
So Vercel cleverly builds on top of AWS. Cloudflare, they built their own network from scratch. And that network is huge. Your code runs super close to your users, pretty much everywhere on Earth.
But who's actually faster? Well, a recent benchmark drama gave us a pretty surprising answer.
So the first tests came out, and wow, Vercel looked way faster, absolutely crushing Cloudflare on tough jobs.
So Cloudflare went digging. They found two things, a scheduling glitch and a dusty old setting in V8. They pushed the fixes, and just like that, the performance gap was gone. We're back to a dead heat.
Okay, so they're both fast. But how they get that speed, well, that brings up a big security question.
It's a really smart way to get speed, but it also means your code is sharing a room with others.
And the biggest fear, a bad actor on the system snatching your API keys or other secrets. Some researchers have an idea, though. Basically, keep secrets locked up in memory until they're needed.
All right, let's talk about the big trade-off here. How nice it is to use versus what it costs.
Look, Vercel's developer experience is just silky smooth. Cloudflare is powerful but can feel a bit clunky.
But when you look at the price tags, wow, Cloudflare is just way more generous, especially on bandwidth.
And if you're doing AI stuff, it's not even close. Cloudflare can be 3 to 5 times cheaper.
Okay, so after all that, how in the world do you choose? Let's break down the decision.
You should probably go with Vercel if you live in the Next.js world and just want to ship fast.
But you should pick Cloudflare if every penny counts, and you need that global scale, especially for AI. Ultimately, there's no single winner. It's really about picking which philosophy fits your next big idea.